Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you stopped by. Today's video is day 1 of 12 Days of Christmas Ornaments. So if you want to see how I did these, stay tuned. It's coming up next. Okay, what you need is some clear ornaments. I prefer the glass. You can use plastic. I just think that glass holds up with the colors better. Then you need something called Glitter It. And if you can't find this, I know some people have used liquid floor wax. Let's see, glitter. I've got silver. And I have plain silver and holographic silver and the iridescent fine glitter that's in silver. I also have color, and you can do it any color that your tree is going to be done in. This is a little turquoise, so I think I'm going to do one each. And you need brooches or buttons. These are brooches that I had gotten years ago at Walmart, I think. And these are actually jewelry pieces that I cut the backs off of, and I just had those sitting around to use eventually. I've got Quick Hold. E6000 works. You can use hot glue, but it's not going to hold up for the long run. And if you're planning on reusing these every year, I definitely suggest either Quick Hold or E6000. And rhinestone chain. Now I'm going to probably use just the iridescent Aurora Borealis, but you can also use just plain clear. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is glitter up the inside of these ornaments. Okay, you've seen me do this before. I'm going to mix up my glitters. And I'm going to start off with just a plain silver. And I'm going to add some of the iridescent holographic. And some of this chunky. And you can find this stuff just about anywhere. I got these at Walmart, and this one I think at Michael's. And that's glistening like crazy. And I'm going to do the same thing with the turquoise. And there's the turquoise. And I like using chunky because the chunky holographic really reflects the light. And I used kind of a medium size glitter and then the fine glitter. And this is Caribbean. This is Peacock. And I don't see a color name on this one. But to be honest with you, I think that I got this at Walmart. I could be wrong. So anyway. And what I'm going to do is put some of this Glitter It on the inside of the ornament. And I'm just going to swoosh this around so that the entire inside of it is covered. And then pour the excess back in the bottom. And needless to say, this bottle will last a long time. And now I'm going to get some of this glitter in there. And I honestly do not know what I did with my my little funnel. So I'm just going to do this gently. Needless to say, it's a whole lot easier if you have a funnel. And I do have one that's specifically for glitter, but right now I can't find it. And I'm just turning this to get the glitter to cover the whole inside. And I'm going to let it sit upside down in a cup. And I think I got these at Walmart. They're just little containers, and since I have everything mixed up here, I don't want to put it back in any of the original bottles. Now next time I need silver all mixed up, I've got it. And I'm going to repeat the same thing for the turquoise, and when that has pretty much dried, then we'll get started with everything else. Okay, I've got them sitting upside down in their cups, and just in case there's any of that liquid left, but it's actually almost ready for the finishing touches. But we'll be back after about a half hour. That way I know for sure it's dry. Okay, I'd say that's about dry. It's been sitting for over half an hour. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off by using a little bit of hot glue just to anchor it, and then I'm going to use the quick hold on the rest of it, and it's going to go from here and around. And then when I do the next one over here, it'll go down to here, and I'll cut it, and because I don't really want it to have that big space from going over top. And just the tiniest bit of hot glue. Okay, now I'm going to put the quick hold on the back side of the rest and bring it up and let that dry for a few minutes, and then go around this way. Okay, I put the caps back on, and wow, does that thing sparkle. And I was going to put these on it. And to be honest with you, I even thought about putting, you know what, maybe I'll do that. I have Aurora Borealis gemstones. I am not going to use the quick hold on this because these are plastic, and I don't know if quick hold does the same thing as E6000, but E6000 will graze these so that they get real smoky looking. So I'm going to use hot glue and some gem tack. And to be honest with you, I actually forgot I had this. And it works pretty well, as I recall. But I'm going to put some of the gem tack top and bottom and hot glue in the center and just put it right there in the middle. Okay, I'm just going to turn these over. And since this takes a while to dry, I can just do them all at one time. I think that's better. And I'm just going to do one little bit at a time. Okay, I'm going to repeat this all the way around. And for the teal or turquoise one, I've got round, and it's smaller. But it's going to stand out a little more because there is a color for it to be on. Okay, they're all done. They were easy enough to do. The hardest part is waiting for glue to dry. And these are the first new ornaments for our tree. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.